I knocked out previously done implant.
He had fallen off a scooter, landed on his face, broke his front teeth up, and it was just a mess.
I had a black eye, broken nose, no tooth, you know. Now to think that I'm gonna get a completely new smile that's gonna really change everything that I think about myself.
Part of being efficient is doing Cadcam, same-day dentistry. So we were looking for a way to make the process faster. Straumann Nice blocks allow me to be super efficient and to provide same-day dentistry, same visit dentistry, and beautiful dentistry all in the same sitting.
We can design it easily, we can mill it easily, we can polish it easily, and we can do these all in a very truncated time frame.
You know, one of the best things that we're able to do is to give someone a new smile.
I'm really looking forward to having a nicer set of teeth.